My name's Darren Lewis. I'm the venue presentation manager here at Tottenham Hotspurs Stadium, newly built stadium, which is world famous. Today we've got ice on site and they brought along some Cobotics. Clean event, and along with the client Tottenham, we're always looking for innovation and ways to improve our cleaning standards here. So here at Tottenham we have a large day-to-day team that work around the clock 24/7. This is a 62,500 seater stadium. It not only holds the Premier League matches but also NFL, concerts, exhibitions, conferences, so we're pretty active all the time. Our partnership with ICE is always based around the innovations and the right tools for the right job. They all seem to come up trumps when we're looking for something. So 3 months ago, before COVID-19, we was running with the events, turning them around, looking forward for our first summer season. But now, moving forward, I see the cleaning industry changing as a whole. The only way forward is to change. And with Cobotics, fogging machines, releasing hours for the staff, enhancing the staff's performance at work, making their life easier and making the cleaning thorough. Cobotics I can only see going in the right direction. We need to utilise every man hour to make sure that the cleaning is thorough. We have to prove that it's clean. So leaving Cobotics to do some of the jobs that we can release staff to concentrate on, the sanitising and getting into the detail areas, I just think it's the only way forward. Fogging all calls with the knock-on effect. We will always adapt when it's right, and hopefully with the client's help we will keep moving forward with the right machines, the right products. Along with ICE, I think this is the way forward.